welcome back to another episode of Sister TV. I'm super excited to share with you guys this trip that we're going on. We are taking a road trip. We're going from Northern California to Southern Cal, all along the coast on Highway 1. I'm excited. We are born and raised Californians, and we've never done this coast road trip from Northern California to Southern Cal, so I'm super excited. Along the way, we're gonna make a few stops. Make sure to follow along our adventure here on Sister TV, and we'll catch you on the flip side. To BIXBY Bridge, and this thing is crazy huge. I mean, this view, you can't get anything better than this. I'm blown away. Absolutely beautiful. We've checked into our hotel here at Vespera, and we got upgraded due to being a titanium member. I'm still taking this in. This is gorgeous. It's so big. We've got a nice king-size bed. With the titanium membership, we do get free breakfast in the morning, which is really nice. Awesome. We got the bathroom over here. Look how big this is. This is so big, right? A gorgeous shower. Really great size. And then you have the double sinks. And you have a private bathroom over here. And now we gotta check out the view because we got upgraded to ocean view. All right, this is the pool ocean view. one of the cool things, if you're not familiar with some of these power cards, is some hotels will give you a key just for the actual lights for the room. So you go ahead and plug that in there, and you'll have your own separate keys for the room. But we'll go ahead and walk over to the bathroom, and it'll automatically turn on the lights for you if you need it, which you can see here, which is really nice. And then of course you have your power button if you want to shut it off at any time. But this bathroom is super big. I love it. So I thought this was cool. The bathroom has so many different amenities. Of course you got your regular towels, dryer, and all of that. But you also get some mouthwash along with some Q-tips if you forgot it, some makeup remover wipes, and some little pads there. How cool is that? Not usual you get that kind of stuff, but kind of neat. We heard so many good reviews about this spot. It was on the top of the list to come visit if you're in town. So we had to come and get the famous clam chowder. We ended up getting the Red Bull clam chowder with the seafood topping. That is imitation crab along with shrimp. So I am so excited. I love clam chowder. So ready to dive into this thing. So let's try it. And it smells buttery. I just can't get over it already. So I'm going to try this and mix it a little bit here. Give it a shot. Oh my gosh. Hold on a second. Okay. I can totally see why they say that this is the best clam chowder. Hands down, has to be the best clam chowder I have ever tried. It is buttery, it's creamy, it's everything. Oh my god, it is absolutely amazing. If you are here in Pismo Beach, make sure to stop here at Splash Cafe and get yourself a clam chowder with the seafood topping. If you're not into that imitation crab or shrimp, don't even worry about it. Just the clam chowder itself, by itself, is so freaking good. Oh my god, I cannot wait to eat this. Make sure to come out to Pismo Beach here at Splash Cafe. We'll catch you on the flip side. Solvang, California, which is really cute. We just got here and it's such a cute little Danish town. The little village, we still have more to explore and I'm so excited about that. So our first stop here is of course a local brewery. I ended up getting a beer along with Donnie, and we also ordered some nachos, so we'll review that when those come. But if some of you may know me, we had Great Danes that unfortunately passed away a couple years ago, about a year and a half now. But this was called a Great Dane Pale Ale, and I had to get it just for them. So this is a tribute to my boy Rocco and Gigi and his Great Dane. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how this tastes. It's good, actually. It's not bad. It's a little, it's a little skunky. Do you want to give it a try? And let me know what your thoughts are on it. But I think it's a little skunky, but it's smooth still. Actually, it's not crazy bitter or anything like that, right? What do you think?
It's a good pale ale.
It's a good pale ale, yeah. Right? I'm not much of a pale ale drinker. Again, I got this just because in tribute to my Great Danes I adored so much, and I still do. But this is a really great beer, and it's so refreshing out here. It's a really great ambiance. We're outdoors. These tables are made out of wine barrels. Super, super cool out here. So definitely, if you're in town, grab yourself a beer here at their local brewery. Try it out. Cheers. All right, so we just got our food and we ended up ordering the CARNITAS nachos. If you can see that. I mean, that looks so freaking good, right? It's got everything. It's loaded. It's got beans, it's got salsa, guacamole, sour cream, jalapenos. I mean, you name it, it's pretty much on here. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into this thing and see what this tastes like, because it looks amazing. Well, this is gonna be a messy bite. Woo. Let's try it out. I'm excited. That's good. That's really good. I gotta give this 2 thumbs up for sure. All the flavors in here are on point. That is really good. The salsa there has got a kick to it. Definitely the jalapeno for sure. I'm feeling it in the back of my throat right now. But that is really good. For being a brewery that we're at, something I'd order again. So definitely try it out. If you're here in Solvang, California, in this cute little Danish town, definitely have to come here to the Solvang Brewing Company. Try it out, even if it's just for beer, if it's not for food. But the food, as far as these nachos go, are really, really good. And we'll catch you here on the flip side. Restaurant where they have Arnés famous Abelskivers, and I hope I pronounced that correctly because I had asked how it was pronounced, and it's Abelskivers. And these are the famous Danish pastries here in Solvang, and I am so excited to try these because we've been trying to find them. We made a couple stops at a couple other Danish bakeries and they didn't have them. Then we were recommended a restaurant that they had it. They were sold out. We ended up just walking and we ended up finding the Solvang restaurant where they have the famous Arnés Abelskivers. So this is something that I'm, again, so excited to try. It's got powdered sugar, so it's a pastry, of course. It's powdered sugar. It's raspberry jam on a pastry puff. So this looks absolutely amazing, and it's nice and warm too. So I'm gonna dive in here, and they drench it in this raspberry jam. So let's try it. That is good. It's actually really fluffy. It's like not overly sweet. It's a perfect like little, not a donut. I'm trying to think of, it's actually just like a regular Danish pastry that you might find at maybe Anderson's Bakery with a raspberry filling in the middle. That's what I would describe it as, and it's really good.
I don't know.
It's one of the only places that we ran into that had Abelskivers available. Everywhere else was sold out for the day, and this is about 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So if you are coming in this late, make sure to stop at the Arnés famous Abelskivers so you can make sure you grab yourself one of these delicious pastries. Definitely check it out and give it a shot. We'll catch you here on the flip side.